What's going on, guys? Before we get into today's video, I just want to let everybody know that the Boulder shirts are still available in the merch store. Follow the link down below to Exotic Enclave. Use code FAIL at checkout to save 10%. Also, make sure you check out glitchenergy.com. I did get everyone's shaker kits. They are ready to go and get sent out. So if you've won one, make sure you get with me. And again, if you guys want to pick up some stuff, go to the link down below at glitchenergy.com. And then use code FAIL at checkout to save 10%. Let's get into today's video. Alright, so we've had some questions the last couple of days about what programs that I've been using to make my videos, what I've been using to make my thumbnails, my emotes, my badges for people. Pretty much you guys have had tons of questions about what programs I use, what do I prefer. There are a ton of free, awesome programs out there. There's a ton of actually paid programs out there. Most of the stuff that I use is actually free programming, except for one I actually pay for my video editor. It's actually not super expensive. It's like 50 bucks. I think it actually is still $50, I think, at the time of recording this video. But it's an awesome program. I enjoy it. Also, again, guys, I'm so sorry about this last couple of days for streaming. If you guys have been trying to watch the stream, I don't know what's going on. I've checked my network. I've checked my computer. The only thing I can think is maybe an OBS had a update that's kind of caused problems. So I've been dropping frames like crazy. But then I went back and watched the VOD, and the VODs look fine. So I don't know what's going on. We're going to try again streaming tonight after I post this video. But anyway, besides all that, let's get into today's video. All right, so now I got you guys pulled down here. So the first thing we're going to talk about is Pretzel Rocks. It's an awesome music program. It's all DMCA, basically proofed music. All the music that's actually supplied through Pretzel. All the artists are releasing the music to be allowed to be used for content creation, live streams, everything like that. It has a YouTube safe mode, instrumental mode. It does have a nice plugin for Twitch for all your Twitch streamers out there, because actually we'll put the actual name of the song. I'll actually post like a chat message saying, hey, this song is now playing. This artist and this song is now playing. So it's really cool. But I enjoy this program. It doesn't cost you anything. You just can log in, set it all up. I use this every time I stream. I really enjoy the music. It's just a great all-around program. The company is awesome. What they're doing is awesome. It does have Stream Beats in there. If you guys haven't checked out Stream Beats, make sure you check them out as well. But yeah, just awesome music. It's DMCA pretty much proofed. So you don't have to worry about getting a DMCA strike while you're streaming. It's really awesome. Now let's get into my image program. Now I use this to make emotes, thumbnails, anything I had to do image-wise. I use Gimp, G-I-M-P. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. A lot of people like using Photoshop, which is perfectly fine. I think there's a new Paint or MS Paint update that came out. It's really nice. But I just am so used to using this this program basically to do all my editing. I enjoy it. I love it. I can't say enough about it. It does everything I need it to do. Again, it's free. It doesn't cost anything. So again, check it out. And the last thing we'll talk about real quick, because we're going to just try to keep this video nice, short, and sweet, is my video editor. Now, I use Wondershare's Filmora. I only pay like 50 bucks a year for it. It's not super expensive. I do believe they have a lifetime payment option for it as well at the time of recording this. But I do all my video editing right here. I don't do any super crazy videos. I don't do any super elaborate transitionals, but it does have transitions. It does have effects. You can drop in audio, video clips. You can cut and fade things in and out. I mean, it does everything that I need it to do. And actually, the sad part is I don't even use it to its full potential. There's way more that you can do with this program than I even do. But for the type of content I'm currently creating, I really don't need anything super crazy. But yeah, I hope that answers all your guys' questions. Again, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. We're going to try to stream a little bit later on today to see what we can do. I am still working on my video to talk about my actual setup. I know you guys have been waiting for that, about what mics, everything else that I've been using. So stay tuned for that stuff. Make sure you sub to the channel, hit the notification bell. It's free, it doesn't cost anything. This way you know when I go live, everything else. Check out the links down below in the actual description. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.